Hello everybody, here are my top tips when selling a property. Tidy up, get rid of the clutter. It is distracting on a viewing if buyers cannot see beyond the mess. If you can spend the weekend doing some small jobs, then do them. Address the negatives. It may be a small effort but will be worth it in the end. Don't give buyers a reason to negotiate. Get into selling mode. Make your bed, put everything away and be flexible with viewing times. There may be a last-minute viewing and it may be the one. Instruct a solicitor early in the process, ideally as soon as you put your house on the market. Complete your protocol forms immediately. Having them ready when you find the buyer and get an offer means that it will be a smooth transaction. If it is leasehold, give your agent the managing agent's contact details and find out if they require license to assign. Complete your PIQ, Property Information Questionnaire. Give it to the agent. This will give them all the details they need about the property to ensure a smooth transaction. The more information you provide upfront, the easier the process. Here are my recommendations. A copy of the lease, if the property is a leasehold, documentation relating to the freehold, if it is a freehold property, fencer certificate for replacement of windows, your energy performance certificate, EPC, relevant building restrictions, building regulation certificate where alterations have been done, and finally, a gas safety certificate for a new boiler if one has been installed. Use a professional agent. When you start your search, be sure to seek an NAEA property mark protected agent. They adhere to a strict code of practice and will be up to date with the latest laws and legislation and will be able to guide you through the process from start to finish. NAEA property mark protective agents will give you the assurance that your estate agent follows the best code of practice and follows all the requirements of the profession and works to industry standards. They also hold professional indemnity insurance, and if they hold monies, are required to be covered by client money protection to give you peace of mind throughout the sale of your house. Don't cut back on solicitors' fees. A good solicitor is worth their weight in gold and can be the difference in you selling your property. The easiest sales are when the solicitor and the agent work well together and communicate throughout the whole conveyancing process. A good agent will recommend a good solicitor that has a good track record, which gives you peace of mind.